So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Before we get started with today's video, I have an important and time-sensitive message to share with all of you. This coming Thursday, October 20th, Melissa and I will be in Louisville, Kentucky at the Expo. It's a huge show down there in Louisville. We have never been there before, but it sounds like a good time. And we had such a wonderful time at the Paul Bunyan show. We figured we'll do one more of these before the year wraps up. Now, we'll be there at 10 a.m. at the Steel booth, which is 5068. We'll probably be there till about 3 or 3:30 p.m. Then we have to head to the airport to fly back home. So we hope to see some of you there if you can make it. I will put a link in the description with more information if you're interested. And I think that's about it. Better get busy. All right, we're down here at the wood yard, kind of getting cleaned up and organized a bit. What you see here is all I have left for firewood to sell for this winter. There is four full cords here. I just moved it over here out of the way, and I got rid of all my empty baskets, got those out of the way, and we're gonna get ready to start filling these up for next year. I put all my empty baskets down here in the lower wood yard. I probably have 8 or 10 that are out there, you know, at customers. They're starting to trickle in. I think all in all, I've got around 35 or 40 of them, I believe. But I'm going to leave them down here till it's time to start filling them up. But we'll start cutting wood here soon. Got this big pile right here, and got a whole bunch of stuff out in the woods to come down as well. Then over here in the wood shed, I've got about probably about 8 cords in here. I think that's about right. So we're in pretty good shape. I wish I had more to sell, but it is what it is. Next up, I'm going to grade up this area right here. It's not in too bad a shape, but boy, that Japanese stilt grass, it just grows everywhere. So I'm going to rake that around, get it dressed up a little bit, and this will be where all the baskets go, you know, the filled ones for next year. And then sometime in the next day or two, I need to clean this whole area up, because in about, I'm thinking about 3 weeks, they're going to be here to build the building down here. Actually, it's just going to be a real big pavilion, 32 by 48, and it'll be kind of close to the wood bunker down there. That way I can put the conveyor inside with the log splitter, split wood under roof, right into the firewood bunker. So lots to do down here. All right, that looks a lot better. All ready for firewood baskets. But anyway, I'm back up at the house now. That was a pretty good afternoon. Got some firewood delivered, got some things cleaned up down at the wood yard. But this was just a short little video to let you guys know about Louisville. This coming Thursday, October 20th, 10 a.m. Melissa and I will be at the steel booth probably till about, I don't know, 3, maybe 3:30, but we'll definitely be there at 10 till at least 2:30 or 3. But I think that's about it for today's video. It looks like a pretty nice night to go sit out in the mini cabin, so I may do that. But anyway, I appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.